Count in your brain for questions, but only count on your heart when you need the answers, because that is where I love you. That person who has been your best friend for years, who has been through thick and thin with you and still stood up for you, who has loved you through all odds, whom you know you can count on for anything and everything, can only be the person of your dreams. This love is everlasting. This is a promise from me to you. Please believe me just the way I believe in you. If you really want to love me, you will have to love me at my worst times so that you can bring out the best in me. I have found someone who makes my soul smile. That someone is you. I am in love with you. And with every passing day, I find myself falling deeper and deeper in love with you. I loved you yesterday, I love you today, and I will love you tomorrow. I will love you forever and for always. I love the way I fit so perfectly wrapped into your arms. I love the way my hands fit so perfect in yours. I love the way so perfectly we look together. I love you in every way. I could not wish to be with anyone else other than you. You are perfect for me, just the way I am perfect for you. I love you. I miss you when you are not around. Texting you is not enough. I need to feel you near me. I love you, babe. It is easy to say I love you, but difficult to express it to the ones you really love. I really hope and pray that I am always able to show you how much I love you, so that you never forget that you are always in my heart. Trust me without hesitation. Be there for me without restriction. Want me without conditions. Love me without an end, just the way I love you. Love is so deep. It is an emotion so pure. I feel so good in your company. It's like an instant allure. I love you so much.